Farmers are always looking for something better. They're always looking for a way to improve their bottom line. And soil testing is something that we use to manage one of their major expenses. And so if we can show them a better way, farmers will eagerly start coming to the Radicle system and eagerly adopt this system of doing soil testing over what they've been doing in the past.
When we look at soil sampling as a whole, there's a couple areas we could improve in. One is, how we're actually collecting the sample. I think the more automation we could build into that process, the better, so we can eliminate some human error. But then also making sure that everything we get recorded is recorded as we did it, not as we wrote it down. So we could potentially make a mistake writing it down, but if we're geo-referencing everything, we get it exactly as it happened.
Some of the current problems that farmers face with the traditional style of soil testing is just the handling of the bags themselves out in the field.
The GeoPress is a big help in the field by minimizing human error, whether that be like mixing up soil sampling bags or mislabeling them. The GeoPress completely streamlines tagging and labeling the geotubes by geo-referenced, as well as just like your point in the field. It tells you where to go, it tells you where you've been, and it's a huge help in the field.
The GeoPress, it makes sampling easier. It does a better job of getting a whole sample and mixing it together. And so that's one of the things that, that Radicle has brought, that they're starting to improve those processes.
Radicle Agronomics is really a new way to think about how we soil sample, both in the field and analyze that sample.
Soil testing labs have improved their technology, but they haven't improved the final product as much.
So far, customers have been really excited about us using Radicle. I think it's something that they've been aware of, that there hasn't been any really new technology in the soil sampling process in a long time. And I think there's a lot of interest in how do we bring that up to date with the rest of our farming operation.
Yeah, as a dealer, I think Radicle is going to help us probably grow at a even faster pace than what we are already.
The thing that I think is most innovative is the way the sample is prepared in the Radicle lab. The sample ratio chamber, where all the sample is taken in, it's mixed to precise ratios of water to soil, and then therefore you can get an accurate weight of the soil that's going into the analysis process. I think that is by far the thing that makes the Radicle lab unique over all other soil testing systems.
I'm most excited to see how the increase in accurate and repeatable data we're able to present our growers with impacts their operations.
I think there's a lot of things that Radicle is doing to really improve the quality of data that we're going to have and be able to use.